Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Bank of Scotland online banking. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Bank of Scotland login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now finally you will be redirected to the official login page of the Bank of Scotland internet banking, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the continue, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And you can see there is a remember my user ID. So once you enable this one, then yeah, your credentials or your username gonna be saved in this browser or in this device successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your credentials, then simply tap on the forgotten your login details, and once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another page where you need to complete few more formalities. And once you verify yourself, then yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Bank of Scotland internet banking or online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.